Welcome back. So this is the application what we'll be creating the first version of it in this series, and then we are going to look at the advanced version later on. So the first version is you can go to any blog. So let me just say Wikipedia on generative AI, right? So let me go to something on Wikipedia for generative AI here, or any article. So I'm just copying this entire article. And okay, so once I don't need the examples, so I'll copy this use case on all of this, and if I do generate this, so we got a WordCloud here. So this is what we'll be creating in this application, and in the next video you're going to look at the libraries we need for this, so about installing that, and the follow-up video will be coding this application is what we are going to walk over. Thank you for joining.